Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here today with the S&B cold air intake system for the 11 to 14 F150 5.0 V8s. Now before we jump into everything I got here on the bench, make sure you hit subscribe and also click that notification bell so you don't miss out. So what we have here is a full cold air intake system for the 5-liter V8, and S&B makes pretty nice kits overall. They're definitely really good bang for your buck compared to some of the other ones on the market. And basically what you're looking at is a full replacement for the factory intake snorkel and filter that you have in your truck right now. So as you can see here, they give you the top half of the intake box, the new oiled filter, which can be cleaned and reused, and that's excellent, as well as this new snorkel and their special silicone couplers, which these are basically indestructible. If you guys want to see more on that, we'll put a little link up there to our other video where we tried to tear these and we could not make it happen. So overall, really nice kit, comes with everything you need. You also have your hardware here with some hose clamps, nuts and bolts, things like that, a few little electrical connectors, whatever you might need to get your sensors and everything put into this. But overall, it makes for a pretty simple install that you could do in your driveway at home. So the reason you'd want to look into upgrading to an S&B kit like this over just what you have in your truck currently from factory is that you're going to get better airflow for a little bit more power and a little more throttle response, as well as a nice reusable oiled filter and just kind of a better sound. Generally, we like the sound of throwing a cold air intake on because you can hear that intake suction and it just gives the truck more of a sporty feel. Another quick note that makes this intake really nice compared to some of the other systems on the market is that this is 50 state legal, which means no matter where you're at, California, New York, Kansas, wherever, this will pass inspection and pass emissions, and you don't have to worry about it affecting your ability to get your truck licensed. If you want to pick up an S&B intake like this for your truck, you can head down to the description below, click that link, and it'll shoot you over to our website, and we'll see you guys next time.